Was spared to them the people are trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
In the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Amen. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Sir Jovenal.
Okay, take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Shower attendance first. Bardanas, Jopin, Mulato Rubendan, Punta Marlo, Kelio Ruben, Asia, Ulaw, Mark David, Ulaw, Kuyoka Yamay, Lanoy, Magalien, Isang Pangalaman, Pedro Blanca, Apex, Kawasan, Sipentes, Anlawich, Oh, very good. That's three answers. So before we start, let me introduce you to our classroom rules in order for our class to be organized. So, Masa apa? Masa. So for our first rule, respect everyone. So I want you to listen when others are speaking and use kind words. So next, be prepared. Bring the needed materials and be ready to learn. So next is follow instructions. Pay attention and act right away when directions are given. And take care of your property. Use classroom materials responsibly and keep the room clean. And lastly is stay engaged. So participate actively and stay on task and give your best effort. So I hope we sum it up. So next, so before we start our topic, I want us to have a short recapitulation for your past topics. So what did you learn about your past topics? Anyone? You felt? Okay.
It is all about the first that you are general.
Is it? Okay, very good. So now, I want us to have let's have an activity called instruction. So each group will think of different situations, scenarios, or sentences. So I'll present a sentence on the screen, and you will think of a different situation where those sentences can happen. Next. So each group will write down at least two possible contexts for each sentence. So for example, When you hear the word, the statement is finally over, where do you think does this statement happens?
During exam.
What happens?
Exam.
During exam? How about anyone? During exam is finally over. Kung saan man nga mga scenarios ang makaingan mo is finally over. Ha? Gaming? Yes, very good. Ano pa? Ha? Buwagan? So, pwede na, diba? Ang toxic niyo.
research proposal.
Oh, it's a proposal, very good. So, it happens after an exam or after a war. And after a toxic relationship. Diba? Kaya yun, diba? Kaya yun, diba? Ito yan over. So, nakasabot na sa buhatan?
Yes.
So, here are the statements. So, here are the, I want you to draw a slip of paper for your groups. So, you draw mo. Okay, good, no?
Yes.
Okay, open your papers. What will you here draw a odd number? Odd numbers. Mungkin 1, 3. Isa. Isa wala. Kaya na naka-draw odd. Odd number. Odd 1, 3, 5, 7, 3. Isa. Kamuro pa?
One of ours.
7? 7? So okay, this will be group 1. And your leader is Jopel. How about the remaining students? You draw the even numbers, right?
Yes.
You'll be group 2 and your leader will be yeah. So I want you to write it in a 1/2 sheet of paper. Please go to your groups first. So group 1, you stay here, and group 2, you stay there. Yes, notebook. I want you to write for in 2 different situations where you can use this to leave.
Example, sir, na. Kaya it's over.
Bravo, pelo.
Two different situations each. Two different situations each. Kapan nyo na lang. Bali, 1 to 5.
Bunga ka.
Two different situations in each statement or sentence.
Burn out.
things at the best.
Pure black. Very.
It's finally over. Because over and one.
Ito na po.
Ano rin? Hindi na pergi pulihan ng puta. Ikaw ng puta. Wait, mamita.
Ready na?
Mawa.
If you're ready,
Ba-flow ko. Makalimut ka sa kong
wait.
sa kandas. Karibya si Dodo.
Ready? 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left.
Jadi ano connected sa mga topic ko. Bakit nasa speech na ako kailangan. Kinakonektan ako. Moto. Adyo ako nakalimutan.
2 minutes left.
Huwag na nagkwita yung nurse ako. Anong laptop? Sa?
Ang bukod.
ng grupo.
UPS. Okay? Everyone's ready to share the answers? How about group 2? Are you ready?
No, sir.
Okay? Share your answers. Group 1.
Look, sir.
Group 2.
Sir, ito yung English mo lang.
Done?
Nag-currency.
Ready?
Disconnected. No money. Disconnected because we don't know.
Group 2 man. Here na, group 1. Share your answer. Yes. Group 2, listen to group 1's answer. Ano mo?
Wait, sir.
Kaya kami na sa usapan.
So, in the context of keyword, first is planning what to wear and criticizing. Planning what to wear and criticizing.
How about number 2?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Number 3, sir, is break up and upset or disappointed.
Okay, very good.
Number 5 is run out
Surprising acceptance to the
Okay, very good. Good answer, group 1. How about you? What's your answer?
I live, I buy, I work.
Yes, Indra. Okay, very good. 1. Fully ready? Okay, very good. 2.
Oh, there is when there is a league and when there is a concert.
Okay, very good. 3.
Gorilla is not in the word wood. Wood. It's because
When it's done out, when your electricity was disconnected.
Okay, very good. You asked to.
when you see their
I got it. Okay, very good. Group 2. Okay, when can you so in what situation or scenario can you use the statement number 1? Funeral. Funeral.
Holy week!
Holy week. Holy word. Kung wala siya sa utang, di ba? Kung wala. How about number 2?
Like concert or liga.
Okay, very good. So, cheer of love ang mga crowds kay God. Number 3. So number 4, the light suddenly went out.
Run out.
So how about number 5?
Hana na.
Oh, Joey.
Parang kita kasi kung mabilis na happy.
I think our body is more than enough. Okay, very good. So based on our activity, what did you notice about how the same text changed when placed in a different situation? So what did you notice about how same text changed when placed in different situation? Anyone? What did you notice about how the same text changed when placed to different situation? Dahil yung naman ito yan, na-change ang meaning sa the same text kung ma-place siya in a different situation. Diba, malahi ang iyang, yes, very good, malahi ang meaning when placed, please listen. Malahi ang meaning kung ma-place siya sa different na situation. Kaya for example, she wore black. Malahi ang meaning kung ang context at kung ang iyang situation is nasa funeral. Or kung nasa siya kung wala siya sa utol, diba, malahi ang iyang meaning. So sa The Crowd Cheerfully, malahi ang iyang meaning kung nasa concert, kung nasa liga. Then sa number 3, he walked away without a word. So dahil di ba yung meaning kung siya, like upset, or kung kakayuban. Also, sa next is the light suddenly went out. Dahil yung meaning kung nasa sa bagyo, butang, or kung nag-run out kay White ang bayan. Diba? So sa last, small 2 words here. So malahi ang meaning kung murag dili kayo bugat yung meaning kung nasa siya sa nakita yung pamilya, di ba? Kumpara sa lahi nga sa situation. Kung na siya problema or depressed siya. So okay. So based on our activity, what do you think is our topic today? Anyone? It's about the context. Okay, very good. It has to do with context. So it is the relationship between text and context. So, but before we continue, let us read first our learning objectives.
First is what can shape the world.
So, at the end of the lesson, the student will be able to read.
Differentiate the roles of the 4 types of context in shaping meaning in the text. Examine yourself in the that starts using the 4 contexts, and show openness to diverse interpretations and perspectives during class discussion.
So when you hear the word context, what comes into your mind?
Words.
words. Kanina, ito na kanina.
It's in,
Meaning sa context.
Sentences.
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 other meaning of
Ito na yung mga yun, mga situations.
Other scenarios. Text use. Use of text.
So when you say text, it is the circumstances that
It's settings, events, and backgrounds that help understand its meaning.
or to put it simply, it is the situation or the scenario of a text. So help us understand its meaning. So we have here 4 types of context. It is the
Writer's context. Reader's context.
Text context, social context.
so as I introduce you to the 4 types of context, let us use the Knowledge Sangare written by Dr. Rizal. So first, writer's context. Let's read.
The idea of the author as he or she writes the story based on his or her experiences in life and personal background.
Or to put it simply, it is the writer's word. So it is the background experiences in life of the author. So we know So we all know that Dr. Rizal wrote the Knowledge Sangare during the Spanish colonization, right?
Yes.
So how do you think his personal background and experiences influence the way he wrote the novel?
Answer.
Okay, Jubil.
Iyan gi-base ang pagsubat sa namin Henry sa yung experience at yung time sa pagsakop sa Spanish.
Okay, very good. Give us a Jubil. Please, Jane.
Based on yan, sir, ang nakita sa palibot, sir, kung sa yung nasasiyan niya sa mga naitabo sa OSM.
Okay, very good. Give us a Jubil. So, in Rizal's case, so, napamunta nga, daw-daw ka sa una, di ba? So, yan ang i-use as is motivation para mag-write sa novel. Okay, very good. So, next. Reader's context. Yes, read.
The perception or interpretation of the lyrics or story based on his or her knowledge.
Or to put it simply, it is the reader's world. So, in order to how does your perspective as a student today affect how you interpret those symbols compared to someone reading it in Rizal's time? Anyone? So, how does your perspective as a student today affect how you interpret those symbols compared to someone reading it in Rizal's time? Hindi na niya pag-interpret.
Anong symbols niya?
Jubil? Anyone? Moy? You fail. Sana.
So, as a perspective, as a student karon is kanang as we observe sa mga symbolism ng gibuhat niya sa lisan sa yung novel is katulad si Padilla Massachusetts, ang Darvidas stories. Makita din nato nga, or may mga nato nga, mga karota, masinita po sa mga salita ng sa course in Kulan, communication sa Spanish.
Very good. Jubil. Anyone? Ano ba?
Ilan?
Moy? Jane?
Sir, realize ikaw kanang minsan di ka nang pinito sa una, sir, kay compared sa time ni Rizal, sir, kay kanang ilang kong sagot sa survey kanang marunong dito sila sa lang sa story, sir.
Okay, very good. So, Jane? So, lahat ang ilang perspective sa una, di ba? Karon. So, next. Next.
The overall idea of the text is given to the discussions concerning how paper is a representation of all our experiences in life.
So, we know this country. What clues inside the novel show us the life of Filipinos under Spanish rule. Anyone? Come on. What clues inside the novel? Moy, si Moy. Wait, you can do that.
So, ang close na nakanasasod sa novel ko naman is katong like kadami itong pagkakontrabida ni Padilla Maso which is kanang nakita nato mga grabe ang mga Pilipino sa una wala sila mabuhat itong di sunod ang unsay mga sugo sa mas Spanyol sa na gusto.
Very good. So, sa wala na pala si Padilla Maso is a corrupt friar.
Yes, sir.
Kaya parang yung babag sa kaya di kumain.
Di Maria Clara.
So, very good. So, next.
Social context.
Future
Which author text was produced?
So, in Nolini Kanjere, how does the society and culture during Rizal's time shape the meaning of the novel? Moy. Yeah, how does the society and culture during Rizal's time shape the meaning of the novel? James.
Napakita nila ang
May isa lang.
like napakita nila ang political sa mga Filipino sir na dati sa sort of
Okay, last go. Yeah. Anyone, kapapan. Jay.
Nag-compare nila sir nga ka ng isa nga to sir kay Marcos like kayang fight is not sir like ka ng isa to sir Marcos like ka ng motivation sir nga mo i-fight and mag-fight sir for rights sa Pilipino sir.
Okay, very good. Last go. Okay.
Why
So, what are those four contexts?
Writer context, reader's context, context, and social context.
So, what is the writer's context all about?
It is all about the author's experience.
Background,
US or
experience in life, or the
US or
writer's world. So, how about the reader's context?
There's interpretation.
Interpretation.
Is your
Reader.
interpretation. So, how about the text context?
Announce na siya.
Oh, yeah, very good. How about the social context?
Culture.
Society, sa time na hingi mo ang very good. So based on our discussion and our activity, what can we say about the relationship between text and context? Based on the activity and discussion, what can we say about the relationship between text and context?
Next sir is
Okay, James,
next sir is ano mga words sir.
words, yes.
Sentences, paragraphs, niya. Ang context sir kay kuhaan ka ng situation or ka ng meaning ka ng text sir is sa magamit sa
Okay, very good. Nasa Jane. Ito ba? Jupin. Jupin. Jupin.
May balik ka sir.
Huwag ka na.
Ang text is like anong mura siya words pala yung ni sir niya. Ang text is na mura ang context is mura represent sa text kung sa siya sa situations. Maputin ba na?
Okay, very good. Gimana si Jupin? So now, why is it important to consider not just the words, but also the situation around them? Ang mga importante mga to, tanawon ang situation around them, not just the very meaning.
Para nakimain ko
Stay mo, ito na po.
Para dibaw ito ka sir, unsa ang gisabi sa anak na about na text or mouse.
Okay, very good. Para masasabi ninyo ang context or meaning sa mga very good. So, since we're done, let us have an activity. So, get it through 4 different lenses. Writer's context, reader's context, textual context, and social context. So, after finishing, this group will share their findings with the class and compare how different contexts shape our meaning. So, with this, so write your answers in a one-option paper. The same group with a previous activity.
So mag-search kayo na sir.
So, wala. I have here printed handouts. Ano yung basihan sa inyo?
Isuot na mga to, tanan na text. Concept.
Hindi ko ba nag-English eh? Hindi ko ganun basta.
So, I'll give you
Kahit ba
10
mag-improve
minutes
math?
to answer. Write it in a one-option paper.
Nanan na daw. Ay, ba yung mga marking mo?
Writer's context, reader's
Aban?
Ay, wala.
Unsa na yung una sa concept sir?
Text. And social.
Next one.
Text. How
So hard. Pwede na mag-ball answer ba, sir? Excuse me, sir. Pwede na mag-ball answer? Yes. One thing.
Kasi mga 1 minute.
Summary.
Sa video. Betul? Hindi na ako manood. Ay, gusto yun.
Sir? You're done?
Sir!
Huh?
Dito na ako sa topic. Kami kumain ko. Ito na. Ang research.
The rising conjunction of which is women are presented as weak and independent women, and men are considered superior over women. So, as you observe mo sa una is, wala din power ang mga body sa una, mas ang laki. Next is generator's context. So, as generations rises today, women and men are equally. But in Benitez's novel, she emphasizes illustrate the rising conjunction of social political feminism, which is bitaw-daog bitaw ang kababaihan sa una. Like, wala sila power na mo kansilang own na Next is the text context. So, text context is the meaning of itself, the text itself. So the text evolved the novel reflects or serve as a mode of to compare the past and the present. So, as akong explain kaya sa social context naman, nag-describe siya of culture before of culture in So, as ibuhat ni Paz Marquez Benitez sa iyang novel.
So as we read the dead star summary, the writer's context is the short story. She didn't only talk about the love story. The reading context is his writing significant as a reflect the spirit of the time. Text of the context, it affects the language to know the manner of people during the time. Social context, this serves as the compare of the past and the present, which is compared to the traditional form.
Okay, very good. So, thank you for your excellent insights. Now let's have our, I think you're ready for our individual activity.
Yes po.
So, are you familiar with the short story in English? Okay. So, I'm gonna present a Scenario sa story. And you're going to please read.
Identify statements, clarify context, and provide more explanation why the context and why the context.
So this here is the one excerpt sa short story that I played. So you're going to identify kung saan context like writers, readers, text, or social. Individual. Let's go back to your original sheet.
Ay, kasara.
First time naman, on a sheet of paper.
Any sheet of paper will do. So you're going to identify kung saan context ang
Explain nga nung gana.
then explain ano
Kaya number one,
ano yung context.
Ano ka na?